Yes, we have.
Tyler, you literally
We were
had
out. I was the one that went and bought them.
No, don't buy them tomorrow.
Exactly. I'm not gonna buy
Go
none
back
tomorrow.
to not buying them.
That's why I stopped buying them before. I mean, I know Brooke and them like them too, but it's like, damn. Budge woke up out of his sleep yesterday talking about he wanted noodles early in the morning, breakfast. I'm like, absolutely not.
Everyone talking about me. Don't talk about me.
You're the one
Nobody talking about, you said something about losing weight. Nobody
No, I
talking
didn't say
about
about who I could buy them.
So I guess she's cool with Lee Daniels now. Because they were both producers.
Tyler, you have
She, I heard that like about maybe
Mom, look
4
at her.
months
Look at
ago.
her.
No, I did not.
Rose. It's 10 o'clock in the morning and I have to see this. Let's get on. Hey guys, just graduated.
Sorry, say something to him.
Cash at me at Alyssa.
Put that on your neck.
DJ, can you put this song on fast? Sean, do you even know JP? That's my... Yes, he came to my engagement. No. This is JP.
Well, also, Kitty had shit on my floor twice. I found last time.
What?
There was cat shit on my floor twice.
It looks old to Shiloh. Maybe you shouldn't have her.
So that's neither here nor
No,
there.
but maybe you shouldn't have her in your room.
the hallway?
I know you didn't. Shaw, that's fucking gross. I'm not doing that. I already have to clean her litter box. You're the one who keeps her in your
No, it's
room.
not my cat.
Stop keeping her in her room.
I don't put her in my room.
How is someone supposed to use the bathroom if their litter box isn't in your room?
I don't put her in my room. She comes in my room, 1. And 2, maybe that litter box should be clean for her to shit in.
It is clean. Look at it right
Mom,
now.
can you come upstairs?
I am. I'm about to
Right
get. I just told you I'm about to do what I got.
Can you just come here right now?
Why?
I want to show you something.
You know, and she comes in. Because Angel just throws it in my room a week later.
Because you never
Did you clean it good?
Yes,
I
come
do clean
on.
Why do I have to go now, yo? I just told
You're not
you.
doing anything. Come on.
Actually, I am.
She's relaxed.
And you know why Kitty goes in your room?
She's
Because she
chilling.
smells fish. And she eats fish,
Oh,
so
God.
she smells it. Be up there with your short stink.
He said it smells like hot sea.
I don't know how is that when I have the fan on.
No, come on.
He was talking about the cat.
He better be. 'Cause turn this off.